In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and move multiple clips in Clipchamp. Whether you're working on a complex video project or simply trying to organize your media, knowing how to efficiently select and move clips can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Clipchamp. This online video editing platform is user-friendly and packed with features that cater to both beginners and experienced editors alike. Once you've accessed the Clipchamp website, the next step is to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access your projects and editing tools. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your existing projects. Look for the project you intend to work on and click to open it. Having your project ready is essential, as this is where all your clips are stored and organized. Once your project is open, you're ready to start selecting clips. There are two simple methods you can use to select the clips you want to group. The first is the shift-click method. Simply click on the first clip you want to include, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the last clip in the range you want to select. This will highlight all clips in between. The second method is the drag selection method. Click and hold your mouse button down, then drag over the clips you wish to select. Both methods are effective, so choose whichever is more comfortable for you. With your desired clips selected, it's time to group them. Right-click on any of the highlighted clips. This will open a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Group. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+G on Windows or CMD+G on Mac to achieve the same result. This action will combine your selected clips into a single group on the timeline, streamlining your editing process. Once your clips are grouped, you can easily move them together. Simply click on the grouped selection and drag it to your desired location on the timeline. This makes it incredibly convenient to reposition multiple clips without the hassle of moving each one individually. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to select and move multiple clips in Clipchamp. This technique is especially useful for managing larger projects by keeping related clips organized and easy to manipulate. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with these tools to become even more efficient in your video editing process. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!